Alright, so you want to be like me or overtake me. I got another one of those. So, this is on my first time of 4 days and 2 months, 3 the Cheesecake Factory cheesecake slices each day, 2025. Today is Wednesday, 15 July, 2026 AD. And here I, Tanis, she, her, hers, Ociel, reflect on completing a base layer of my Tanis eating at the Cheesecake Factory. 4 days and 2 months of 3 slices of cheesecake purchased on site and eaten the same day from the Cheesecake Factory. I attained this in 2025 with 2 days in October 2025 and 2 days in November 2025. It marked my first time achieving the feat across all the Cheesecake Factory locations. I did this solo and like as an execution, in-person execution was solo. I did manage to YouTube this endeavor. So there we go. And here, 3 cheesecake slices. So means eating the entire slice of cheesecake. And I do that for 3 different cheesecakes. And it's like not the 6-inch cake and then I cut 3 slices. It's the like, I order a slice of cheesecake and it's the Mondo slice, so to speak. All right. So I'm going to go through the days, and here we go. Friday, 17 October 2025 marked my first ever time eating 3 slices of the Cheesecake Factory cheesecake in one day. The first slice was pumpkin, the second slice was Lolicious plain, the third slice was original. On Friday, 31 October 2025, Halloween, my God, Hades inspired. I had the first slice was pumpkin, the second slice was salted caramel, and the third slice was pumpkin pecan. On Friday, 7 November 2025, the first slice was lemon raspberry cream, the second slice was cinnamon swirl, and the third slice was white chocolate raspberry truffle. A particular Weezini King, there's 2 of those. There's my Elon and my Momo, my Jason Momoa. They're trying to convince me the weasels have made themselves known on high frequency this summer already, this spring/summer to me already, and they're like, perhaps we want to check out your deer/bunny barn. And so this particular Weezini King, my Elon, goes, this one: I shall be your infinity diet king of the Cheesecake Factory. And this day, the Friday, 7 November 2025, is part of the inspiration for that. And then I mixed it up on the 4th one, and I did a Sunday, so 3 of them were Fridays. And then Sunday, 23 November 2025, Thanksgiving with Tanis Day, I did, the first slice was pineapple upside down, the second slice was vanilla bean, and the third slice was vanilla bean. I really enjoyed all of these. It was very fun. I liked I was like, it's enough of a drive that I was like, I could do 1 slice at a time, and that's kind of what I've been doing. I was like, or I could just take a chunk. And so I did that. There's 3 different flavors. Though you can, like, for the 17th of October and 31st of October, there's pumpkin. Vanilla bean was repeated, but the point being is it's a good menu. I found out it was a good menu, right? Because I'm repeating, but I'm like, that infinity diet would be really, really great right about now. Do I have to come up with a Tanis infinity diet? Because like I don't necessarily want to. I have quirks, but I like tracking my food, but I wouldn't want to be able to eat anything all the time. I like having like my human anatomy, so if I could eat anything all the time, like, yeah, maybe it's more of the Tanis infinity diet instead of like just can eat anything and that kind of thing. So there we go. This is one that I think the Cheesecake Factory that factored in strongly in that kind of thought process space of, well, would I want it? Yeah, it'd be worth the effort, an effortful one, perhaps. So also my first time in 4 days and 2 months, 3 the Cheesecake Factory cheesecake slices each